Welcome to this 5-minute mindful meditation for relaxation and awareness. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position or lying down, whichever feels best for you. Allow your body to settle into this position, feeling fully supported by the surface beneath you. Close your eyes or soften your gaze, letting the world around you fade gently into the background. Begin to take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Pause for a moment, then exhale slowly and fully through your mouth, letting go of any tension or tightness you may be holding. Let's do this again. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, allow yourself to settle more deeply into this moment. Now, bring your attention to your natural breath. Notice how it feels as it moves in and out of your body. Perhaps you sense the coolness of the air as you inhale and its gentle warmth as you exhale. Allow the rhythm of your breath to be your anchor, a steady, calming presence. Let's shift our focus to the exhale. Take a slow, gentle inhale through your nose and exhale even more slowly through your mouth, as though you're softly sighing. Feel your body softening with each exhale. Let go of any tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. Inhale easily and exhale slowly. Imagine your exhale as a wave washing away stress and worry, leaving calm and stillness in its place. As you continue breathing, bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you might still be holding tension, and with each exhale, invite that part of your body to soften. Relaxing your forehead, softening that space between your eyebrows. Release your jaw, letting it hang gently. Let your shoulders drop and your hands rest effortlessly. With each slow exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, more at ease. Now gently turn your attention to your mind. Notice if there are any thoughts or worries lingering. There's no need to push them away. Simply acknowledge their presence, as though you're watching them from a distance. With each exhale, imagine those thoughts dissolving, fading like clouds drifting across a clear sky. Feel your mind become soft, open, and expansive. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to notice how you feel. Perhaps there's a sense of lightness in your body or calmness in your mind. Know that this state of relaxation and awareness is always available to you simply by returning to your breath. Take one final deep inhale through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when it feels right, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to care for yourself. May you carry this sense of ease with you throughout your day.